Well, this is just average British weather right now. Freaking rain. It doesn't rain all the time, but it's pretty much average weather. I mean, average when it's like, it tends to rain a lot in the UK. Yeah, I'm gonna get in the tent. Don't want to get soaked. Yeah. This is so much better. I'm not getting soaked. But yeah. Just hope this doesn't. Yeah. I think my switch is somewhere in here. Yeah, there's my switch. Yeah. Still turn on. Yeah, it does. God, oh God, it's not sent. I need to get my Switch online. I need to get more. I need to get a Switch online card so I can play online anymore. So I'm yeah. Need to get that renewed. Well. Oh, that was very close. You almost saw my face. Gonna move you. Not gonna see my face today. Maybe in the future I might do a face reveal, but not now. Yeah. So, just gonna sit down and hope the rain stops.